designing your own custom fishing shirts. So we just need to go to our website, customize, and then we're reading the terms and conditions on the right hand side, going through that so we understand it all before proceeding. Now to start designing, you just got to click customize. Now in this tutorial here, I'm going to show you how to do text. So for this shirt here, I'm just going to be doing a plain colored one. Now you can select any color that we have here of our standard color templates. You are choosing if you want any extras and then inputting how many sizes you would like. The minimum order quantity is 5. Now to look through the shirts, you're just clicking those arrows on the right hand side. I will be showing you how you can put text on the sleeves as well. Now images here you can do so much with. You can stretch and drag them as much as you would like. Just using those little icons on the image when you're hovering over it. The image can be stretched, but if you want to delete it, you can just press delete on the red icon. Now we're going to the text, and then I'm inputting which font I would like, and then I'm clicking that and then putting my text on the shirt. I can make the text larger or smaller. It's totally up to personal preference. I'm going to do mine like this. Now I'm going to be working on the sleeves. So first of all, I'm going on my left hand side and I'm inputting my text and the font that I would like and then resizing that one. I'll be doing the same for the right hand side as well. Now to compare and look through, I'm just going on the arrows there to match them up. So I'm just going to make this one smaller by clicking the arrows. Now I'm looking through that one and I'm happy with that and I'm going to be checking out.